Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hamza Teach. Today my topic is about compound. Compound is a pure substance consists of two or more different types of elements chemically combined together and affects ratio by mass. And the formation of a compound, the components elements must under chemical change. The properties of the compound are different from the elements from which it's formed. For example, water H2O it is a compound. It is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. The ratio of hydrogen atom to oxygen atom and water are always 2.1. Changing this ratio will give a different compounds. For example, adding one more oxygen atom gives a ratio of 2:2, or the resulting compound will be hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Formula of compound. A compound is always represented by a chemical formula. A formula shows the symbol of the element of which compound is made and their combining ratio to each other. Common name, chemical formula. Baking soda, sodium carbonate. Limestone, calcium carbonate. Table salt, sodium chloride. Mixture. A mixture is made up of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. A mixture may consist of element, compound, or both. A components of a mixture are not an affects ratio. Mixture can be separated by chemical method and saturated substance of the mixture retain their characteristic properties and the mixture. For example, when sugar is dissolved and water it forms a mixture which is sweet and taste. The sweetness is due to the presence of sugar and water. Type of mixture. There are two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is one which has uniform composition throughout its masses. For example, table salt NaCl dissolved in water solution. Second, heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is one which does not have uniform composition throughout its masses. One part of the mixture having different composition than the other, non-uniform distribution for their components, for example, salads, stand and water etc. Solutions. The sugar form homogeneous mixture with the two solutions, the stand and water from a heterogeneous mixture. Particles of sand are visible in the mixture, whereas sugar particles are involved even when a microscope. Compound. Difference between compound and mixture. Compound. It is formed by chemical combination of atom of the elements. Mixture. It is composition by physical combination on mixing up of the substances. Compound. The compound always has fixed composition by mass. Mixture. Mixture does not have fixed composition by masses. The components of the compound cannot be separated by physical method. The components of the mixture can be separated physical method. If every compound is represented by its chemical formula, it consists of two or more components and does not have any chemical formula. Compound has homogeneous composition. Mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous in composition. Compound has sharp and fixed melting point. Mixture does not have sharp and fixed melting point. The consequent loses their original properties. The consequence retains their properties.